Hi everyone again, this is Michael Lesmes with Ascend Technologies International coming at you out of beautiful South Florida. Welcome to my tax saving boot camp. If you made it this far, you're doing really well. This is some great information. Everyone agrees. I like giving stuff away. I'm a firm believer in the fact that if you give away good information and you give away good things, people can't wait to get their hands on the things that actually cost some money, because if there's value in the free stuff, wow. So this stuff could cost me a little bit of money, must be fantastic as well too. The tax saving boot camp, what this is all about is you're going to learn how ATI saves your household hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month. But more importantly, we're going to show you how to pay off all of your family's debt in 1/3 the time. We'll also show you the tools and techniques to easily save huge amounts on your taxes, putting hundreds of extra dollars in your pocket each and every month. You're going to wish you knew these techniques years ago. So let's get started. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to utilize the software and show you how to do this on screen to keep track of your spending. At the end of each year, your accountant will thank you, and you will thank me for introducing you to the program that saved you from having to pay thousands of dollars in taxes. It's not a coincidence that the richest people in the country pay the least amount of taxes. It's actually a matter of their knowledge and application of write-offs themselves. What I'm going to show you here is a report on entrepreneur.com. It's a very popular website, has a lot of useful information. It's a lot of it is derived from Money Magazine itself. What it basically shows here is that they've assembled a team of basically 3 leading tax attorneys to get their advice on how far is too far in the land of tax write-offs. But to be honest with you folks, the write-offs are there, and you can utilize them by even owning your own independent business, such as ATI, something that doesn't cost very little money at all to get involved with, and at that point just the savings off of your taxes is enough all in itself, not to mention the modules of the program that we've been through. Tax write-off on travel expenses, cell phone bills, basically using a portion of your home, the interest on your home and your mortgage every month, you can write off a portion of that. Rent, even if you're not a homeowner. Tax write-off personal expenses as well. You can write off a guard dog if you own a pet, which a lot of you do. You can write that off. Work-related uniforms or costumes, and pretty much, to be honest with you folks, anything you basically put on your body and wear, you can write off. You're going to be talking about your company, you're going to be talking about your business, and you need things to put on your body in order to do that. In the past, I've written off things such as socks and underwear even. This is no joke, people. This is real. But this is not what I'm showing you today. This is just an idea that on why the richest people in America pay the least amount of taxes. It's their knowledge of the system is all it is. What I'm going to show you now is I'm going to take you to my personal website, which is www.teachme2save, the number 2 save.com. It's teachmetosave.com. This is going to bring you to our ATI website. My contact information is up here. I can be reached by phone at 772-260-0252. Also email me 24/7. I'll get back to you right away. Down here we've got the Ascend Financial Manager, which is where we'll go. If you've been through my first 2 boot camps, you're already familiar with this screen. Once I log in here, it's going to bring us to the Ascend Financial Manager, where we can actually click on our 4 modules individually. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you a little bit about the tax diary system. This system is a snapshot that is you can update daily, where you can input what you paid for breakfast, lunch, dinner, any cocktails, any tickets, went to any shows. There's even an option to put in some other expenses. Next to each place, you can add a note. Always add notes. If I put in $5 for some breakfast, I need to remember to add the who, what, when, where, and why in this note. And this all gets saved on a web-based URL or website, which means something happens to your computer, your hard drive crashes or anything like that, all of this information is backed up for you 3 times over on 3 large hard drives that are backed and saved to on a nightly basis at the corporate office. This is going to give you full control of your finances, full control over your financial situation. You can change the date here, go back in time, go forward in time, things that you know that you're going to pay money on a monthly basis. You can update this daily. I recommend doing it daily. You can put your personal information as well as your business information. As you can see here, personal miles and business miles. Add a note next to each. Always remember to add the note. You take an avid initiative in this, and you will definitely change your financial situation. You have an option here to go to a monthly snapshot, which will give you a monthly snapshot of what you're spending. You can print your expenses out. You can do single month, single year, multiple months. For those of you that already own your own business and happen to do your taxes every 3 or 4 months or every quarter, you can print out these reports at that period of time. There's also a very useful tool. This is the tax education and documents section, which you can educate yourself on the IRS, the taxes that you pay, the things about starting your own business and keeping records, your guide for your small business, your travel, entertainment, your gifts and car expenses. It's basically about everything to keep track of. It gives those of us that don't know too much about owning our own business and are a little bit nervous about jumping in because of all the things that are involved. Well, ATI makes this very, very easy. And everyone in the program, including the person that brings you into the program, is there for you every step of the way. The training is excellent. The education tools are excellent, and they are added to on a daily basis. Back over here to the expense manager. I'll bring you back, give you another quick snapshot of the screen. And we're off. Boot camp number 4, here we come.